Hello, today I want to share with you this Earth Angel rose bush that I just received in the mail. Came in this box. I don't know if you can see on this video. I'm gonna see if I can get a close up. The stems are very green, so it's definitely alive. And I can see some foliage starting to form, which I love. I can tell it's in this like bag, and I can tell like it's moist, but I need to get this taken care of ASAP, right? But I'm very, very pleased with how it looks so far. So the entire plant actually came in this box, and I love how this box also shows some planting instructions. So it gives you very good recommendations on how to help this rose bush thrive. Of course, Heirloom roses, they were very their marketing is very genius. They included a catalog of theirs in this box. Oh my goodness, I'm gonna have fun looking at that. Anyways, stay tuned, and we'll show you where we've planted it and all the things. So I just planted the Earth Angel rose bush, but it's pretty dark, so I'm gonna wait and show y'all in the morning where I've put it and all of that. But I wanted to share what is on the box here. So if you're not able to plant it like exactly right away, here on the side has some recommendations. Poke 2 holes in the bottom of the bag. Give your rose a healthy drink of water. Plant within a few days of arrival. And then it also tells you that this box is biodegradable. It has actually been about a week now that I have had this Earth Angel rose bush planted, and I already have new growth. I've actually only watered this, I think, just once. We had a lot of rain, so it's been just roughing it out here, and it is doing well. I'm so excited about this. Here is the Earth Angel rose bush after 1 month, and as you can see, it has definitely filled in with foliage and already has a bloom in the works. So I'm super excited about this. I think it was a great purchase and I love it. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right.